Hey guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys really parked here, and now I will hand drive all of these vehicles with my hand. So let's go. At first is Momentum Trucker. Wow friends, I parked here this Momentum Trucker. This one is pink paste and yellow color combination. And next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car here. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this Momentum Trucker. See this one is black, blue and silver color combination car here. And next one is a power backhoe. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this power backhoe. This one is yellow and black color combination. And next one is a drum truck. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this power backhoe. This one is pink paste and purple color combination drum truck. And next one is a Wrap 3 car. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this cartoony drum truck. This one is red and black color combination also. And next one is a fire truck here. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this Wrap 3 car. This one is white, black and yellow color combination. And there is the last one is quadrants with bike. So I will try this one also. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. See this one is pink, yellow and black color combination quadrants with bike. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive and serially parked here. So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.